To locate the spare tire in a 2017-2020 Chevy Trax, start by opening the rear cargo door. If needed, fold down the rear seats to access the cargo area. Locate the access panel or cover under the cargo floor. The spare tire is a compact donut spare stored here. Use the provided lug wrench to loosen the spare's mounting bolt by turning it counterclockwise. Once the bolt is loose, carefully remove the spare tire. It weighs approximately 30 to 40 pounds, so use proper lifting techniques to prevent injury. The jack, lug wrench, and jack handle are usually stored in a compartment on the driver's side of the cargo area, behind a panel or under the floor mat. When changing a flat tire, park on a flat surface and engage the parking brake. If equipped, remove the wheel cover. Slightly loosen the lug nuts before jacking up the vehicle. Use the jack points marked on the vehicle's frame to lift the car. Once the flat tire is removed, mount the spare tire. Retighten the lug nuts in a star pattern to 100 feet-pounds according to GM specifications after lowering the vehicle. Always carry gloves, a flashlight, and a reflective triangle in your vehicle for emergency situations.